Hello, welcome to the Nail Fix Studio YouTube channel. Today's video is about how to properly wash your hands for both nail technicians and clients. There are only a few steps when it comes to washing your hands properly, so let's break them down. Step 1. Wet your hands with warm or cold water and then apply soap. Step 2. Rub the soap in between your hands, fingers, and nails until you have a good lather. If no lather present, please rinse and start again. Step 3. Scrub your hands up to your wrist with the soap and water for at least 20 seconds. You can also use a manicure brush. Step 4. Rinse away the soap under running water. If the soap is not rinsing clear, please repeat steps 1 to 4. Step 5. Dry your hands with a clean cloth, paper towel, or by air drying. You can then apply lotion or oil. If you are receiving any type of manicure services, please do not apply any lotion or oils once you have washed your hands. Please remember, if you dream it, plan it, so you can jump into action.